in this video, I want to show you how to divide polynomial using the long division. You can use either the long division or the synthetic division, but in this video, we are going to make use of the long division. Then in the subsequent video, I'll make use of the synthetic division. I'll show you how to use the synthetic division, but for this video, we are using the long division. All right, the question says, divide 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7 by 2x minus 3. And hence, we are asked to find the quotient and the remainder. All right, this is what we are asked to do. 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 3. How do we solve this? So first of all, this one will come outside, will stay outside. So we have 2x minus 3. And this top one comes inside. So this is 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7. Now let's divide step by step. 4x cubed divided by 2x. 4x cubed is 4 times x times x times x, all divided by 2 times x. So this will cancel out this. This will cancel out this, and we have 2 times x times x. So 2 times x is 2x squared. That means 4x cubed divided by 2x gives us 2x squared. Now 2x squared times 2x squared times 2x gives us 4x cubed. 2x squared times negative 3 gives us negative 6x squared. Then you rule a line because we are subtracting. So we are subtracting, we put a bracket. Now let's subtract. This minus this is 0. So if we have 6 here minus 6. So this is 6. Minus times minus is plus. So 6 plus 6 here gives us what? 12. So from here we have 12x squared. Now bring down this negative 2x. Bring down the negative 2x. Now let's go again. 12x squared divided by 2x gives us 12x squared divided by 2x gives us plus 6x. Right? Now 6x times 2x gives us 12x squared. 6x times this 3 gives us negative 18x. Now rule another line because we are subtracting. We put a negative sign outside. Now from here, we know that if we subtract this, we'll have that negative 2, negative 18. Right? So negative 2, negative times negative gives us positive 18. This is just like it's saying 18 minus 2. Right? Which is just what? 16. So here we have 16x. We have what? 16 what? X. So 16x divided by 2x just gives us what? Plus 8. Now 8 times 2x gives us 16x. Now don't forget to bring down the 7 plus 7. 8 times 3 gives us negative 24. Now put a bracket outside because we are subtracting. So when you subtract this, we'll have that this is 0 and this is giving us what? 31. So minus times minus is plus 7 plus this gives us 31. So therefore, what is the quotient? So they say after dividing, we should find the quotient and what? We should find the quotient and the remainder. So clearly, the quotient equals 2x squared plus 6x plus 8. Then the remainder equals 31. All right, and this is the answer to this question.